Hello everyone, Dragongaming-Kfg here. Today, we're going to be doing something different. I'm not going to deal with that right now. So, if you've been on this channel for at least a couple months, you've at least seen probably one of my videos taking down one of MatPat's bendy theories and basically kind of ripping it to shreds. You know, we tear apart all of his hard work and a bunch of other stuff. This is, you realize we haven't really even done that to my theory, my first ever theory, the videos that set rolling this channel, and started me making the videos afterwards, which would lead to this video, down the line. I was waiting to do this in February, but I kept forgetting it, so it's okay. Okay? So, today, we're going to tear down Game Theory Unofficial is Boris Survived Clone Bendy and Eat Machine Part 1, which I never finished. I wrote out the script and I never finished it. Yeah, that's me, definitely, yeah. So we're going to tear apart this theory bit by bit. We're going to spin it. We're going to make sure I pay for how terrible this is. Quest, come on. It's 14, 13, 24, or 13, 24, so, yeah, you can tell. I thought it was good making into it. Looking back, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. So, not back in on why is this even a good idea in the first place.
Alright. I'm not as cool
oh, crappy setup.
So, from the game series, you have a bunch of editors at my fingertips, so let's go ahead and go. Quite a complicated process in real life, but it's easy in the bendy universe.
Okay.
This is a game theory unofficial.
Using the Game Theorist intro, you're not even Game Theory or MatPat or anybody associated with them. Triple sin. Because you're just basically plagiarizing them. Yes, I know this was a theory that I wrote going to be part of the team back in November 2017, but still, seriously, come on. You could have at least tried making your own intro, dang it. Plus this, I swear, is probably the worst intro you've ever done.
Hello, Internet. Welcome to Game Theory Unofficial.
Okay, that's not true. There are
so the video
even
you're
worse
currently
intros, but yeah.
watching has been written on a game theory script, but I wasn't sure if it was okay to send the script to MatPat from a game theorist. So I'll put
okay, but if you're not sure if you can send a theory to him, why did you make it anyway?
I never did get a response from that. If you would like to, please send this video to MatPat on Twitter if you can, at MatPatGT. I might put that in the description. I don't have a Twitter, otherwise I would do that myself. So, today's theory is going to center around our old pal, Boris the Wolf, as you can currently see on screen from the Meatly himself, on a video where I will bring up a little later.
Wow, that was back in my very early days.
So for these Boris cloud,
that's what I started talking about the rib detail,
set them aside, really.
which doesn't make any literal sense, but yeah, I know. It doesn't have to be. It's a theory that was very, very terrible, and why did I make it? I mean, I gotta give it credit. I mean, if I didn't make it, I probably would have not created half the stuff that I have created. So, and basically the standard of, hey, don't make any videos that are like this.
What if our Boris survived clone? We did not revive him.
I should probably mention, if you're wondering why this is only like right about 9 minutes or so, the recording software I was using at the time would only let me record 10-minute videos. This was Screencastify Lite. Screencastify like Premium, I think it's what it's called, or Pro or whatever. The paid version of Screencastify would allow you to record up to like 50 minutes. And this only let me record up to 10. So I was not only talking really fast, trying to make sure I got it all in there that I wanted to, and blah blah. But this year just plain sucked. We all have to admit that.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Revived clone. We did not revive him. And alright, is this thing still recording?
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pulling this up but not even bothering to really check it. It shows the email.
Alright.
Wow. This was a school laptop. I don't use it for gaming anymore. Or recording videos. I might record another video on it just to get myself back in the hang of it, but yeah, I don't think so.
We did revive this
I like the
chapter 1.
remember the audio
Even though there's ink splattered
in
everywhere.
that video is way
Restarted
worse than what it is in this
pouring
video.
out of rib cage.
So not even bothering to get a mic.
If you think about it, but the detail I think everybody points out, it just goes ahead and throws away. In fact, the rib cage here is in fact split open, which means any ink pouring into it.
I'm just gonna send myself for a whole entire script because there are some ideas that are in that script I don't show in this video. I don't think. I don't know, I can't really hear this sucker too well. But the thing is, I think there was like an idea that I had in the script that's like, what if Joey Drew was the person experimenting with these and blah blah blah. That was debunked later in the series, so why did I use that as a point? I don't know.
We stay in there.
I'm surprised he hasn't tried taking
this Boris here
my pal
was the
has
original Boris.
tried taking the sucker down
Boris ever
yet.
created from the ink machine.
That just
You're probably all thinking I'm crazy. Yeah, thought that.
Did I record
So
that at
think of
night,
this.
or did I
All the
record
Boris
that in
clones,
the
like the
morning?
one you see here, have
I
their
think
chest
I
open with the
recorded
ribs
that
aside.
in the morning.
I'm pretty sure nobody questioned the design detail and thought it was all normal to the game.
No.
Just like the
Alright,
Nightmare
let's continue.
mouth, or not mouth, stomach, FNAF 4. A lot of us never thought of it because the regular other Nightmare animatronics don't have that. Only Nightmare Fredbear. So a lot of us just threw that to the curb, didn't think about it. Well, I'm here to tell you this very design detail is significant in this series because it's rib placement. After you turn on the ink machine, chapter 1, go back into the room. This room was this dead Boris clones on the table and on the floor. You know, he starts squirting out of it. It's not staying in. So I'm trying to beat the clock here. First grenade together.
All I did was trying to beat the clock.
Stay inside the
Just
ribcage.
go along with
Not
it,
all,
man.
but some of it.
Then,
And Matt Pat himself has said that Joey Drew of Joey Drew Studios, and in this game, Bendy and Ink Machine, represents more of Max Fleischer. Well, immediately says here when asked if Bendy was
boy.
About 20 minutes later, Bendy was born. Number 8. Is Bendy based on true events? Well, yes and no. Bendy is mostly just my own imagination going wild. But that said, it definitely has roots in some actual historical figures. Some of them are animation pioneers, and other moments in the game are simply alternative history. Number 9. Does the meatly voice Henry? I know why people would think this.
So,
yeah.
he said that
You
some of
don't
them
stop
are real
or stop
historical
it one
figures,
time.
which means both Disney
Sit and
and
sit.
or nice furniture. Take that, Matt Pat.
Wow.
Because you tried narrowing it down and you ran into one big roadblock. Now, if this was the original Boris, how has this Boris actually gotten to where we see him in Chapter 2? Remember, at the end of Chapter 1, Henry falls down on entire lift shaft. It falls down, getting an axe, taking a swing, and passing out in a room full of coffins and pentagrams. Now, what answer is the lift? Like the one we see in Chapter 3. And actually get to play with in Chapter 3. But there's only one problem. We don't actually know where the lift goes in Chapter 1 map, as
we
Angel
still
points
don't.
out in Chapter 3.
So, why are you
I'll
trying to
even want you
bring
to
this up?
leave this place. If you do it,
Yeah.
easy weasy will first. Only big flaw says. But as always, each previous chapter gets updated whenever a new chapter comes out. So Chapter 5 may hold the answer to this one. So Chapter 4 is months away, and I highly doubt that Chapter 4 will hold the answer to this question. So yeah, it takes
It never
a
does.
human machine must make the hearts very easy. You know, e-cards that hearts makes you grab. Yeah. There's
Wow.
no questions. Now, given we don't know how long a machine takes to create a 3D cartoon, perfect or imperfect, we assume
very irrelevant
the e-card is the first thing that is created. Now here's a crazy theory. What if Joey Drew
I mentioned it here, but it's still going to be a sin.
Now,
Basically,
in Chapter 3, we see a bunch of force clones. They are undeniably Alice's killing. What if Joey Drew
I started questioning why I ever came up with something. I freaking swear.
Insides, figure out actually how it works, like anatomy and dissection. Or Joey Drew should be crazy. Yeah, let's go with that.
Yeah,
I think that's where we'll start. Stop today, guys. Make sure you check out the Game Series channel, which I'll link in the description. And once again, send out this video to Matt from the Game Theorist. There's that Matt GT on Twitter.
It's crazy, but
And in the meantime, remember, it's just a theory. A Game Theory unofficial.
Exit with Game Theory. This falls under the category of the Game Theory intro. We're not even really about Game Theory at all. So it's not even right for you to even use their outro. Come on, man. Think of something more creative. If I did this theory today, one, I wouldn't do it because it's completely stupid. But two, I would at least come up with my better intro and outro. Jeez.
See you guys later. Stay beautiful. Now you totally know it's unofficial. See you guys later.
Let me know what you thought of this in the comment section. Whether you thought this was a good start for me, or you wish I never uploaded it in the freaking first place. Which I'm going to be under that category of, I hope I never did. I wish I never uploaded it. And once again, it still shows the email. Come on. Don't use that, by the way. Use the one I've provided. You know, the Dragongaming-Kfg YT official thing. There's also a fan art one, or fan mail. I have to figure out the password on that one. But yeah, go ahead and open that one as well. Yeah. Yeah, this was complete cringe, and to think I actually started from this, wow. But I want to know your thoughts, so leave your thoughts down in the comment section. I'd love to read them. But that's all I have time for today. Thank you for watching, and stay beautiful. Peace.